If your home isn't smelling as fresh as you'd like, you may just love Laundrin Tokyo's Fabric Refresher I was just gifted. Now this comes in a lot of different scents. I got it in the classic floral scent. And what's incredible about this is that not only is it going to help freshen things up, deal with any odors that are in the item, but then it also will add a bit of a scent that starts off strong, but then very quickly fades and is just light enough to improve the smell of your overall home. Now I want to real quick spray it on this blanket. I know you can't smell it, but I just want to describe it as I'm spraying. It sprays very cleanly. Really nice to just spray on your couch, throw pillows, things you can't easily throw in the laundry, but you can spray it on things like your bedding, bathroom towels, bath mats is a really great one to spray this on. And it's going to give an immediate scent, even to the space, and it's really, really lovely. I'm not the biggest floral fan, but this floral smell is more like a clean linen kind of smell. It's very inviting, very light. It's a little more perfumey right at the start, but that's what goes away very quickly, and then you're left with just kind of this clean linen sort of smell throughout your space. Now, when I first put it on, there is just a little moisture here, and that, as it dries out, is going to help remove any odors that were in this blanket. And it smells amazing. It's a very luxurious scent, very inviting. I also love that it is all plant-based ingredients, no microplastics. So this is something that I can feel really good about using around my kids and my pets and just make the home smell better. In fact, now that I'm looking around my home, where I really want to spray this is up our carpeted stair steps, because that's something that's really hard to get as clean, fresh smelling as I want it to be, and this will do that for me. If you are looking for a way to very easily freshen up your home for yourself, for your family, for guests, this is a great option. The Laundrin Tokyo Fabric Refresher. Definitely check out the other scents. Find the one that's best for you.